Hey, Malico Watson, Miami property boss. If you don't know me, it's time to start knowing me. When it comes to real estate, investment real estate, I'm the guy. I'm gonna show you how to make money. I'm gonna show you how to make real money. No bullshit. If you're looking for the real deal, it's right here. I'm sorry about my language, it's just who I am, but I love what I do and I love to share. And I want you to follow me, subscribe below, man, and I'm gonna give you all the tips and ideas how to make money. I've been doing it for 28 years, man. Flipping, wholesaling, reselling, construction, all right here. So let's make some money. Let me show you how the real deal happens in real estate without doing all the licensing and all that craziness, and just get paid, all right? Subscribe below, man, and let's see how we can make some money together.